more Frogger. Like Frogger. Want free Frogger online, and yeah, it's cows. Hashtag Team Cows. Comment down below to win an Legends gift card, and today we will be playing some Frogger. Turn down the volume. Yeah, and please subscribe, and please get more views. And do not spell views V I E W S views. Jeez, not a good thinker. I know, guys, I really suck at math. It's just lame. Oh. Oh my. Oh my gosh. This is what happens. See if we can get to second level. Okay. This is really working out very well. Well, not too well, because I'm really quickly running out of time. Don't worry, we can just fix that. We have 34 minutes to do this. That's not fair, but it is a certain amount of time. That's a really good time, actually. It's a really good time. I heard it was a good time, like almost in preschool. And preschool just made me do that. So never say preschool, guys, or else something bad will happen. Maybe not for you, just for me, because look at, watch this. I'm gonna cross the line. Preschool! Darn! See? And that's how it happens. Oh no. Oh. No. This cannot be happening. That's my name. Some people, you guys, Callums, who are watching this channel, you'd only have one L in your name, but yeah. But McQueen. So, not really speaking that well. I have a cold. That was just a fake cough. I don't actually have a cold. I was tricking you guys, but you already know I was tricking you because, yeah. Hey guys, we're playing Frogger. My thing's crashed. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I think I'll see the... What the? Why did it do that? It never used to do that. Yeah, and it's Chaos. Hashtag Team Chaos. Comment down below to win that iTunes gift card. Baby. Check it out. Oh. No. Jeez, I was so close. No. Okay. Fun down my hair again. Yeah, I think you don't really like it if I find out. That's more like it. And please look up Sam's. Yeah. And subscribe. Oh my gosh. God. I'm a goner. Let's play maybe we should play, what do you call it? Pac-Man, we like Pac-Man, right? We like Pac-Man. So we're playing some Pac-Man now. Okay, let's get started. Ooh, I don't really like Pac-Man. Well, I kind of do like when people play it. I just don't like replaying it. I get scared, really, because I think I'm gonna die. I feel worried when I play Pac-Man. For real, I feel worried because it's like a dead game. Like, it's just hard. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Dude. What's going on with me today? I'm so lazy. Oh. Don't worry, I still play like this. So yeah, that's pretty like it. And yeah, I like it like that. Kapow. You gone, I don't know, oh my gosh. Oh my god, I don't know. What the? Pinky? Run, da 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 da. Know that? How did I not know that? Maybe I'm just a dumb person and nobody will subscribe to me. That's why I'm super lazy. Oh, here's Sam. Say hello.
Hello, guys.
Yeah.
That was very cringy, but okay.
I know. I'm pretty lazy right now. Oh, cringy, cringy. We're gonna get you, baby. Oh, I won't make it past level 2.
Do not understand me. Don't shout. If you don't speak, lift one side.
Nothing to see here. Yeah, we're gonna play a bunch of those different games. No one's playing maybe Donkey Kong. Yeah, now we're gonna play some Kong. Yeah, we're playing some Kong, new game. Continue. Oh yeah, use this. And play some of those games at the top, as you can see. So right now we're playing some Kong, Donkey Kong. I feel like the old-fashioned version. I can get very high. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ooh. Goes down there. I died. I can get very high. I can, like, literally.
I'm watching Sketch.
Oh, he's a good YouTuber. Oh, Sketch. Yes, he's a very good YouTuber. And a very high for last time. Can you stop saying that? Don't come after me. Jeez! Jeez! Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I'm soon gonna save her. I need to save her. No! I'm so close to saving her. I'm so close. Jeez. so close. Oh. 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 Very high. My favorite. Oh my gosh. Dude. Where do you like me? Right, dude. I don't like that. It's not that violent. Well, it's not violent. No. Knew it. My life. Oh my gosh, dude. Jump. On my watch. Wait. Jump over me, right? Bah! Actually, yeah, let's play a different game. Should we play some Sonic? Let's play some Sonic. Play Sonic. Okay. I know all the stuff I've played this game for. This game I like. In game. Sonic. I want Sonic Zero. Sonic Hedgehog 13. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, this game's getting fun already. Oh. No, let's just get down. This game is so fun. Oh, pumpkin bow. Oh, I like these. Traitor. You're a little traitor. Gotta. Oh, I need to get fucking views. Oh, yeah. There we go. Like this. Boom. Hooray for me. Hooray. Let's move this out. Oh. kid boots.